Have you ever been frustrated by how difficult it is to get information into your AMS? Well, fret no more. Empower your staff with a uniquely integrated solution, the likes of which you may not have even thought possible. In this video, we're going to show you an example of how Microsoft is changing the game and offering something no other AMS platform can, with its ability to integrate Microsoft Office with Altai's AMS, which is built on the Microsoft Dynamics platform. Now you can take advantage of the familiarity of Microsoft Office and Excel like you've never seen before. Excel is literally embedded into our AMS. So let's show you a real-world example in action. Suppose we're planning an upcoming webinar, and I have a list of webinar registrants within a spreadsheet. Well, watch as I can simply and easily copy text from an Excel spreadsheet and actually paste the data right into my AMS. And then I can go about the rest of my day. No need to have to call IT, wait hours upon hours for an import wizard, or have to manage 42 different spreadsheets on my desktop. If this piques your interest and you'd like to learn more, you can check out more great content over at our website, www.altaisystems.com. Thanks and have a great day.